Even if they were to win the lawsuit against Ripple, the SEC would not be successful. Isn't that a big headline? However, it is supported by a number of the most powerful people in the world, as well as the crypto experts who are the most accurate. At long last, the deadline on the completion of the lawsuit has been posted on the internet. Believe me when I say that it is moving. Additionally, cryptocurrency experts are forecasting growth for XRP+ripple, which has the potential to make the entire cryptocurrency market tremble. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Let's move through it step by step, shall we? I hereby defer. So, Ripple's legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is heating up once more with fresh developments that have the ability to alter the path that Ripple's journey will take and maybe establish a significant precedent in the cryptocurrency world. As both parties struggle to determine whether or not XRP meets the requirements to be classified as a security under U.S. law, the conflict between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has become a focal point for the sector. The drive toward a settlement that is being made by the federal judiciary in the United States might completely change the stakes. Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) have been advised by Judge Phyllis Hamilton, who is in charge of the case, to investigate the possibility of settling certain allegations rather than pursuing them through a protracted legal battle. There is a significant stipulation attached to this recommendation. It would be possible for such claims to be brought up again following Ripple's appeal in 2025 if they decided to dismiss some of the claims without prejudice that they had previously dismissed. Ripple would have more opportunity to concentrate on its primary points during the appeal process as a result of this, while the SEC would have less flexibility to concurrently press its case on all fronts. In order to prevent the Securities and Exchange Commission from re-evaluating its allegations, Ripple and its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, along with the Ripple subsidiary XRP2, are aggressively pursuing a final decision on their proceeding. In a concerted effort, holders of XRP, led by Bradley Sostak, have coordinated their efforts with those of Garlinghouse in order to demand a decisive verdict. As an additional request, they are requesting that claims at the state level be put on hold until the major case is settled. In a move that came as a complete surprise, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has decided to renew allegations against Ripple executives Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larsen. There is no doubt that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) intends to vigorously pursue regulatory enforcement within the cryptocurrency business, as evidenced by its decision to revive allegations against these executives. In order to get ready for this battle, Ripple has brought in additional legal firepower, while the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has scheduled to submit its primary reasons for the appeal by the 15th of January. In light of the fact that the appeals court has the potential to establish a new benchmark for the manner in which crypto assets are controlled and regarded in the eyes of U.S. law, the stakes have never been higher. In the month of January, Ripple is getting ready to file an appeal, and the cryptocurrency world is keeping a close eye out for any indications that the court would be inclined to rule in favor of Ripple. In addition, the conclusion of the lawsuit is extremely important for holders of XRP, who have been waiting for a definite response for years. Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) have until November 4th to decide whether they will pursue the judge's proposal or move forward with full legal procedures. These further steps are crucial in determining the future of Ripple and maybe cryptocurrency in the United States. Very interesting, isn't it? For your information, the twists in this case have the potential to shake up the entire crypto scene. The question now is, what does this imply for the future of XRP and its price? We have information from some of the most prominent crypto professionals that might just take you by surprise. Be sure to stick around since their forecasts are nothing short of disruptive to the whole game. Although the XRP market is thriving, a significant portion of the cryptocurrency world appears to be preoccupied with the movements of Bitcoin. Meta makes the observation that everyone is so preoccupied with Bitcoin that they aren't even paying attention to the fact that XRP has once again reached 53 cents per. For those who are passionate about XRP and believe in its potential, however, the real mystery lies much beyond the current price. The journey to XRP's full potential is the focus of this discussion. A critical resistance level of 66 cents has been discovered by Dark Defender's analysis, which is based on a technical study that was conducted over the course of a year. According to him, if this level were to be broken, it would pave the way for a possible rally to $1.80, then $5.80, and perhaps $18.20 in the future. The Elliott wave theory, which examines market cycles and price patterns, serves as the primary foundation for his approach. Since the summary judgment in the Ripple lawsuit was handed down in July, the price of XRP has increased to 93 cents, which is in line with the estimates made by Dark Defenders throughout the past several months. A rally that underlined XRP's durability and investors' conviction in its long-term direction was emphasized by this surge, which momentarily exceeded his intended target of 89 cents for the first wave of a bullish pattern. Following the aforementioned peak, a corrective drop was anticipated and ultimately realized. XRP discovered support at approximately 38 cents, which is located close to the Fibonacci retracement level of 23%. XRP has been sailing inside a smaller range between 48 and 52 cents ever since this correction built a robust support structure. However, it has not yet been able to break through the 66 cents resistance level. This level, which Dark Defender frequently refers to as the final boss, is typically considered to be the most difficult obstacle that XRP has continuously encountered. When this line is crossed on any significant timescale, whether it be daily, weekly, or monthly, it has the potential to serve as the spark that XRP needs in order to ascend toward its next target of $1.80. The divergence that Dark Defender sees happening between the weekly and monthly charts of XRP lends credence to his optimistic outlook. In spite of the fact that the weekly price action may indicate some degree of caution, the monthly chart is more positive, which indicates that this long-term trajectory is still feasible provided that the support is maintained. His forecast is contingent on the fact that XRP continues to sustain important support levels, particularly 39 cents. Dark Defender is of the opinion that the token will be able to prevent a big decrease if it is able to retest and maintain its current level, maintaining the momentum it had up to this point. However, he does agree that a double dip scenario, in which XRP would return to its prior lows, may take place, despite the fact that he believes this potential outcome to be highly improbable. The insights provided by Dark Defenders offer a view into the bullish potential of XRP, and for those who are already holding or considering purchasing XRP, the next few weeks may stand out as a time of vital significance. In the event that XRP is able to overcome that important obstacle, it has the potential to pave the way for the amazing price levels that Ripple's most ardent supporters have been forecasting for quite some time. You certainly weren't ready for this, don't you think? There is more progress to be made than this. The cryptocurrency known as XRP is quietly presenting itself as a game changer, with technology that has the potential to revolutionize the landscape of the financial industry. Believing me, the current situation has the potential to cause the price of XRP Ripple to skyrocket. Stay with us because the information that we are about to reveal will completely blow your head. Therefore, the increasing global adoption of XRP by major financial institutions is establishing a solid foundation for what may be a spike in its value that is among the most significant in history. As reported by XRP News, the fact that the coin has been accepted by banks and other significant organizations is evidence of its reliability and the enormous potential it possesses. A development that could cause the price of XRP to reach all-time highs is the fact that it is getting closer and closer to being used by the general public with each new financial relationship. Ripple Lord recently announced that MasterCard intends to issue an XRP debit and credit card, which is a move that has the potential to significantly expand the use case for XRP in everyday transactions. This accomplishment is a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency field. XRP is connected directly with consumers through this relationship, which strengthens its utility outside the realm of investing purposes. This partnership is a game changer. When this card is released into circulation, there is a possibility that the use of XRP as a form of payment may increase. This will result in fresh demand and will have an effect on the market price. Taking a broader perspective, the primary objective of Ripple is to find a solution to the issue of sluggish and expensive international payments, which is a service that is now dominated by SWIFT. SWIFT has been the backbone of worldwide transactions for a very long time. Nevertheless, it is a slow and expensive digital currency that is not suitable for a digital economy. One of the most powerful alternatives is provided by Ripple, which is powered by XRP technology. When Amelie presented her analysis of a recent Forbes piece, she mentioned that XRP has the potential to replace SWIFT since it offers transactions that are nearly instantaneous at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an alternative that is both quicker and more efficient for processing payments across international borders. Just picture this. It is possible to complete a transaction over Ripple's network in a matter of seconds, but the same operation could take many days to complete using SWIFT systems. Not only is this more expedient, but it also costs less. Users and financial institutions alike benefit from Ripple's reduced transaction costs, which make the cryptocurrency far more cost-effective. The blockchain technology that Ripple uses offers increased security and transparency, both of which are becoming increasingly important for modern financial institutions that are striving to update their processes for the better. Ripple's network has already begun to have an effect on the industry, as evidenced by the fact that a number of institutions have already begun implementing its technology for international financial transactions. This increasing confidence among the world's largest financial institutions serves merely to show